Clearbrook, North Dallas, 2023 Jeep Rubicon 392 full wrap Xpel Ultimate Fusion. That's the 10-year Ultimate Plus film with Fusion manufactured into the top coat of the film for 4 years. So the only PPF with a ceramic coating actually in it. Let's take a look at our wrap for the PPF, and you'll see that we ran everything from edge to edge. These are all in one piece, the fender flares, as they come all the way around. We didn't remove any of the emblems because they are not easy to get should something happen when they come off. And the owner didn't want us, like the black one, these are relatives, didn't want any of this stuff taken off. So we respect that, and we work our way around that, and we still get a great install. So let's continue around the hood here. So everything gets wrapped in just like always. Everything is edge to edge, no problems, no big gaps. Everything goes in beautifully. Everything nice and neat. These here did come off their piece of cake too, 10 millimeters. So we don't have any lines. Everything goes in smooth. All these fender flares, lights all done. This here did not get done. It's some kind of a weird surface. Doesn't even, the PPF won't stick to it. So don't know what that's made of, but nothing to PPF there. And then cruising along here, everything nicely done. Nicely done. All these were done by hand, these sections and this section. So everything's good all around here. Nicely done in one piece. The whole roof, you can check it out up there. Brings it down into this rail. Coming in, doing all these pillars, wrapping all that stuff in, taking this off, coming in, wrapping it to here. All these moldings come out real simple. Coming around, getting everything inside here. We took these doors off here, and we have a, oh God, what do we have? A bit that's coated so we don't chip these. So we had some touch up as well. So, but everything goes in underneath. It went in really nice. These here, we didn't take them off because we can't get parts for those if we break a clip, but we were able to still get tight around that rubber. Coming around the back side, full fender flares, obviously all the way around, nice and clean. Getting this back side. And much of the same on the other. And that's it for the last year of the Rubicon. I think they only made it 3 years, so definitely worth wrapping. The first one I've seen with a full painted top. But nicely done. Looks like it's not even on there, and there it is. 8 mil of paint protection film, no waxing ever, and the paint should stay nice and new unless we have any type of collisions, but the PPF will more than do its job to keep this thing from getting damaged. So Clearbrook, North Dallas, clearbrooknorthdallas.com, or you can get a hold of us at 214-414-3809 if you have any questions. Thanks.